Today, we're taking a look at the Kingston Canvas Go for on-the-go shooters, making it ideal for filming life's adventures in 1080p or even 4K on a DSLR, drone or action camera. Kingston's Canvas Select SD cards are designed to be reliable, making it ideal for filming in HD and shooting high-resolution photos on your point-and-shoot camera. This card is tested to be durable so that you can take it anywhere with confidence that your photos, videos and other data will be protected. It's available in multiple capacities up to 128GB to provide plenty of space to capture life's adventures. To get started, simply insert the SD card, power on your device and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and if you have any queries, feel free to comment.